La 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 la. Yo, what's the deal, nigga? Ain't nothing, Paul. We just here laughing and all that. Trying to get our heads right, get this money right and all that. You know what I'm saying? You know how it goes. Just another day in the hood. Yo, yo, one night, New York City, heard it going down. Friday night, midnight, Atlantic City, slash machines, ding, 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 when they ring off. Lock the doors, dash, bring ghost, just beat off. Cigars, paisley robes, 4 bitches guarded me safely as we walked to the window. The cashier was scared, she asked for my info. The manager arrived with 2 guys, that's an insult. That's the code, Mr. Coles. We talking about $5 million here, this ain't Play-Doh dough. In your horoscope red, you gon' slay those hoes. We got scribbles, Anthony Acid, rocking the show. Special guest star, Mark Bronson. First 500 bitches went crazy when he let they answer, and all he did was plug me in. I got the charge and got they bras and ran through they whole department.
I'd like to congratulate myself today for being better than Shin. That's not just like marginally better.
When I step into the party, all the ladies wanna know. I'm hanging with the ballers, yeah, all my nigga rolls. I can tell you what they say, hey, that's if you wanna know. They say, ooh. When I'm rolling my Mercedes, all the ladies wanna roll. Be my Juliet and I can be your Romeo. If you acting manic, I can pick another hoe. In the middle of the summer or even 20 below. I'm a bad motherfucker, I'm way too fucking cold. Let me tell you what they say.
Put your ass into it, you fucking idiot.
Yo, and if I came to the party just to cut up a rug, don't make me have to cut up a dub. Damn, play something for me, DJ, cause it's nothing but love. Posted by the ladies who looking for something to rub. Put the roll out, and roll on dubs, rolling the bug. Playing all the we controlling the club. Mommy is shaking their asses, they throwing it up. Other people take a push, come grab the mug.
I got that on film, man. That was absolutely chaotic. I've got to stop it now in the name of basically sanity. I'm stopping it. I'm sorry, it's enough.